In order to commemorate the 79 Independence Day celebration, we have successfully celebrated the Independence Day celebration, and cultural programs were held. Cultural program ho gaya for different tribals and communities living in Parbatchara subdivision, and we are also having 100-meter race and 200-meter race to develop this importance of physical fitness, and we are also giving awards to various important people for their recognitions, such as best school, best police station, best gaon pradhan, as such. And also in this Independence Day, I want to give a message to the citizens that today is not the only Independence Day, and we have to celebrate this Independence Day every day. That we cannot take our independence for granted. We have to be responsible and dutiful citizens also. And Jai Hind. Thank you. Mara Parbatjara mostly it's very neglected as of now. So what I want to give a message to Parbatjara subdivision is that we have to come out, and we have to go towards the mainstream. We have to improve our education status. We have to improve our health status. We have to become healthy. We have to become a part of the citizen, and we have to show that from Parbatjara, many leaders or many personalities will come up from this place. Many footballers, many artisans, many great doctors and sports person, footballers as such will come up from this place, and we have to give a systematic changes to the structure here. And I wish to all the Parbatjara citizens that we have all the best, and we have to work hand in hand together so that we can make this place a better place. It has a lot of potential. We can utilize this potential to uplift the citizens of this place.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.